Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore Vatican City, a microstate and the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. Vatican City is a place filled with a lot of fascinating, interesting, and amazing facts. Let's dive into some of the most intriguing aspects of this unique city-state. 1. Smallest country. Vatican City holds the title of the world's smallest independent state, covering an area of just over 100 acres. Despite its small size, it carries immense historical and religious significance. 2. Population. With a population of around 800 residents, Vatican City has one of the lowest populations of any country in the world. Most of the residents are clergy, religious officials, and Swiss guards. 3. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Vatican City is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding cultural and historical value. Its magnificent art, architecture, and historical buildings contribute to this prestigious status. 4. St. Peter's Square. The iconic St. Peter's Square, designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini, is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. The square's majestic colonnades embrace visitors as they approach St. Peter's Basilica, creating a breathtaking sight. 5. St. Peter's Basilica. The world's largest church, St. Peter's Basilica, is located within Vatican City. This awe-inspiring masterpiece of Renaissance architecture houses numerous priceless works of art, including the impressive dome designed by Michelangelo. 6. Sistine Chapel. The Sistine Chapel, located within the Vatican Museums, is renowned for its magnificent ceiling painted by Michelangelo. The frescoes, including the iconic creation of Adam, attract millions of art enthusiasts every year. 7. Swiss Guards. The Swiss Guards, who are recognized for their eye-catching and vibrant uniforms, are the official security force of Vatican City. They were founded in the 16th century and are responsible for safeguarding the Pope and ensuring security within the Vatican. Interestingly, Michelangelo was the original designer of their uniform, and the uniform's stunning colors and unique look have remained virtually unaltered ever since. 8. Papal Audience. Visitors to Vatican City have the unique opportunity to attend the Pope's weekly Papal Audience, held every Wednesday in St. Peter's Square, subject to availability. It's a chance to see and receive blessings from the Pope. 9. Vatican Gardens. Hidden within Vatican City, the Vatican Gardens cover more than half of the state's territory. This tranquil green oasis features beautifully manicured lawns, flower beds, and historical monuments. 10. Postal Service. Vatican City has its own postal service, issuing its postage stamps and unique coins. Collectors and enthusiasts worldwide seek these exclusive collectibles. 11. City within a city. While Vatican City is an independent state, it exists within the city of Rome, Italy. The Vatican's unique status as a sovereign state within another country is a remarkable aspect of its history. 12. Independent economy. Vatican City has its own economy, generating revenue from tourism, sales of stamps and coins, and donations from Catholics around the world. It is one of the few countries without income taxes. 13. Dual languages. Vatican City has two official languages, Latin and Italian. Latin is used for official documents and ceremonies, while Italian is the everyday language spoken by the residents. 14. World's first museum. The Vatican Museums, located within Vatican City, are among the world's oldest and most extensive museums. They house an exceptional collection of art and artifacts, amassed over centuries by popes and the Catholic Church. 15. Catacombs. Beneath St. Peter's Basilica lie ancient catacombs known as the Vatican Necropolis. These underground burial chambers contain the tombs of past popes, including that of St. Peter himself, making it a sacred pilgrimage site for Catholics. 16. Feast of St. Joseph. March 19th, the Feast of St. Joseph, is a national holiday in Vatican City, honoring Saint Joseph, the patron saint of the Universal Church. 17. No permanent citizens. Unlike most countries, Vatican City does not have permanent citizenship. The residents are primarily clergy, religious officials, and Swiss guards, who temporarily reside within the city-state. 18. Secret archives. The Vatican Secret Archives holds an extensive collection of historical documents and papal correspondence dating back to the 8th century. Despite the name, the archives are not secretive but are named after the Latin word secretum, meaning private. 19. Unique time zone. Vatican City operates on Central European time but also follows a unique tradition of setting its clocks 10 minutes ahead of the official time. This practice dates back to the 19th century as a symbolic nod to ensure the Pope is never late for his appointments. 20. Papal Conclave. When a new Pope needs to be elected, cardinals from around the world gather in the Sistine Chapel for the Papal Conclave. The chapel's doors are locked until a new Pope is elected, and white smoke is released from the chimney to signal the successful selection. 21. The Papal Heliport. Vatican City doesn't have a traditional airport, but it does have something unique: a heliport. The Papal Heliport, located within the Vatican Gardens, is used exclusively for the Pope and high-ranking Vatican officials. 22. Arriving in Vatican City. Well, the nearest airport is Rome's Leonardo da Vinci Fiumicino Airport, also known as Fiumicino Airport. From Fiumicino Airport, visitors have various transportation options to reach Vatican City, including taxis, buses, and trains. 23. No permanent embassies. Vatican City has diplomatic relations with many countries around the world. However, due to its small size and unique status, Vatican City does not have permanent embassies within its borders. Instead, embassies to the Holy See are usually located in Rome, Italy. 24. No currency of its own. Vatican City does not have its own currency. Instead, it uses the euro as its official currency, following an agreement with the European Union. The euro replaced the Vatican lira, which was in circulation before adopting the euro in 2002. 25. Flag and coat of arms. Vatican City's flag consists of two vertical bands, one gold or yellow, hoist side, and one white, with the crossed keys of St. Peter and the papal tiara centered in the white band. The gold key represents the spiritual power of the Pope, while the silver key symbolizes his temporal power. 26. Michelangelo's Pieta. St. Peter's Basilica houses one of Michelangelo's masterpieces, the Pieta. This stunning sculpture depicts the body of Jesus on the lap of his mother Mary after the crucifixion. It is the only work of Michelangelo that he signed after he overheard someone attributing the work to another artist. 27. Michelangelo's Last Judgment. Within the Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo's renowned fresco, The Last Judgment, covers the entire altar wall. It depicts the Second Coming of Christ and is considered one of Michelangelo's greatest works of art. 28. Swiss Guard Recruitment. The Swiss Guards, known for their colorful uniforms and dedication, are recruited from Switzerland. To be eligible, candidates must be male Swiss citizens, unmarried, Catholic, at least 5 feet 8 inches tall, and between the ages of 19 and 30. 29. No female Swiss Guards. The Swiss Guards, who serve as the official security force of Vatican City, are historically an all-male unit since 1506. However, in recent years, there have been discussions about potentially allowing female Swiss Guards in the future, though it has not yet been implemented. 30. L'Osservatore Romano. L'Osservatore Romano, meaning the Roman Observer, is the official newspaper of Vatican City. It provides news, editorials, and articles related to the activities of the Pope and the Holy See. 31. Vatican City Radio. Vatican City operates its own radio station, known as Vatican Radio or Radio Vaticana. Established in 1931, it broadcasts news, religious programs, and messages from the Pope in various languages to listeners around the world. 32. Vatican Library. The Vatican Apostolic Library is one of the oldest and most extensive libraries in the world, dating back to the 15th century. It houses an impressive collection of over 1.1 million books, including ancient manuscripts, rare texts, and valuable historical documents. Vatican City's rich history, stunning architecture, and spiritual significance make it an extraordinary destination that captivates visitors from all corners of the globe. We hope you enjoyed the fascinating facts about Vatican City. If you found it enlightening, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.